The latest COVID-19 modeling out of British Columbia suggests some of the measures that province has taken are beginning to pay off. The number of cases does continue to go up, but the rate of growth has begun to drop and level off. BC's provincial health officer says the curve is beginning to flatten again. Stephanie Mercier takes a closer look.
Cases of COVID-19 have been rising in BC in the last few months, but the latest modeling shows the province is managing to keep some numbers low. And the provincial health officer, Dr. Bonnie Henry, had a somewhat optimistic message to share in her latest update.
And we were seeing, the last time we presented, that our curve was going up again. And what this tells us is that that increase has slowed and is now turned and is coming down again.
More people are testing positive, but Dr. Henry says the positivity rate is actually quite low. Far more people are now being tested. Fewer than 2% of them are positive for COVID-19. The average number of new infections per COVID-19 case is also pretty low. That's the number of people that each sick person is infecting. That's around one other person. Dr. Henry also says hospitalization rates and the number of people in critical care have been climbing since the summer, but both of those are now leveling off despite the reopening of schools. Good news, especially compared to the situation in some other provinces like Quebec and Ontario. Dr. Henry credits that change to health measures that were taken early in September. The province closed banquet halls and nightclubs, and she also credits that change to everyday actions of normal people.
Which means that we are having safe connections in our communities now, that people are doing the right thing, that we have our COVID safety plans in place in schools, in workplaces, in restaurants, and that they're making a difference. So our number of contacts that we're having where we can potentially transmit the virus has decreased. This is incredibly important, and it's a testament to the work that everybody has been doing in BC.
Henry says it's critical people continue to take those precautions so that schools, restaurants, and businesses can all stay open. That means being extra careful over the coming holidays like Thanksgiving, Halloween, and other fall events to keep groups small and keep everyone safe. Stephanie Mercier, CBC News, Vancouver.